2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, running boards, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security system, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, remote keyless entry, overhead console. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.